As the weather gets warmer, it's time to clean out those attics and get organized. Don't let clutter get you down. Junk Doctors can help. Here are 10 things you should be sure to remove and toss while sprucing up your space. 1. Broken furniture. It's too difficult to repair and takes up way too much room. 2. Clothing that hasn't been worn in years. Even if you keep something nostalgic, donate what no longer fits or is still stylish. 3. Magazines and newspapers. Declutter your home by recycling old magazines or donating them. 4. Stuffed animals. If your child has outgrown them, ask if a friend or relative can use them before sending them off with Junk Doctors. 5. Toys that aren't age-appropriate anymore. Try selling these online for some extra cash before getting rid of them for good. 6. Books that no one will read again. Libraries are great places for donations. 7. Unnecessary knickknacks. Chances are, they don't serve any purpose other than taking up space in the attic, so let go of them. 8. Wall decorations you don't need anymore. Freshen up the look of your place and reclaim more space by throwing away these items responsibly. 9. Bats and balls that haven't been used in a long time. Donate sports equipment to an organization like Goodwill so someone else can use it. 10. Clutter and dust bunnies. Say goodbye to all the messiness and make room for new memories this spring with Junk Doctors' excellent service team ready to assist with every task imaginable when cleaning out attics or basements. So go ahead, get started on decluttering your attic today.